Hey guys, Marcus here. In this video, I'm going to compare the Xiaomi Scale 2 with the Xiaomi Body Composition Scale S400 and what are the differences. So the weight is the same on both. The precision also you see right here. Body composition analysis, yes. You have like muscle mass, water, protein, visceral fat, but on the Scale 2 you don't have it. Heart rate monitoring, yes, but here you don't have it, so no and no. User profiles up to 36. Special modes like baby, pet, waiting, that's important, guest mode, large object mode, and here you can have guest mode and object waiting. And display, enhanced display showing fat, heart rate, battery level, and then also the Bluetooth, also the automatic sync with the Bluetooth gateway devices, reinforced glass, technical plastic. Both got Bluetooth. Weight is less for the Scale 2, and both got free AAA. So you see right, the S400 got more advanced measure body composition, 25 metrics, heart rate, and offers detailed analysis, better for health tracking. And the Smart Scale 2 is like basic scale, measure only weight. So you just know that the right way, like when you see the difference in pricing, just go with the 400 and you're gonna be good, all right? So see ya and goodbye.